Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great and your preparations are going really well. आज हम लेके आए हैं न्यूज IIM रायपुर के बारे में and it says that IIM रायपुर launches MBA in blended mode. तो ये जो एक स्टेटमेंट है बहुत ही वेग सा स्टेटमेंट लग रहा है which is why we'll get into the details of what is there, what is the kind of MBA that IIM Raipur has come up with and what is the blended mode. So guys, according to this article, we can see that it says that IIM Raipur, that is Indian Institute of Management Raipur, has launched an MBA in blended mode in collaboration with New Learn, one of the leading edtech organizations in India. तो IIM रायपुर ने न्यू लर्न के कोलैबोरेशन में एक MBA निकाला है इन ब्लेंडेड मोड और न्यू लर्न एक लीडिंग एडटेक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इंडिया की. The program entails online course delivery along with 2 mandatory campus immersion modules of 5 days each. These 2 campus immersion modules would be at the start and towards the end of the program respectively. तो ये ऑनलाइन कोर्स डिलीवरी होगी जिसमें सिर्फ 2 कैंपस इमर्शंस हैं जो कि मैंडेटरी हैं. दोनों 5 days each होंगे. एक होगा बिफोर लाइक द स्टार्टिंग एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द कोर्स एंड वन विल बी टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स. On successful completion of the program, students would be awarded the Master of Business Administration degree by IIM Raipur. तो ये जब कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा इसके बाद MBA का डिग्री स्टूडेंट्स को दिया जाएगा. The course has been structured meticulously for working professionals and executives to enrich their managerial skills, which will help them take their organizations to higher growth trajectories. So this is basically an executive MBA जो कि working professionals के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है so that they can hone their managerial skills and they can take their organizations to higher growth trajectories. So this sounds a very interesting way of an MBA डिग्री जिसमें आपको सिर्फ ऑनलाइन कोर्स अटेंड करना है और सिर्फ 2 बार आपको कैंपस जाना है 5-5 दिन के लिए, one towards the beginning of the session and one towards the end of the session, and that is it. Everything else will be completely online and completely virtual. The program focuses on multiple facets like honing leadership skills, developing global perspective, enriching one's professional network, growing through peer learning and acquiring understanding of general management as well as the specialization chosen. तो ये जो प्रोग्राम है फोकस करता है कुछ चीजों पे जैसे कि होनिंग लीडरशिप स्किल्स, डेवलपिंग ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव, enriching one's professional network, growing through peer learning and acquiring understanding of general management as well as specialization chosen. Adhering to the state-of-the-art management curriculum, the program enhances the potential of participants by comprehensively covering ongoing trends and techniques in the industry. तो जो ongoing trends and techniques है industry में IIM रायपुर उसको बहुत ज्यादा emphasize कर रहा है and they will make sure that they cover comprehensively all those trends and techniques that are currently going on in the industry. IIM Raipur believes in preparing ethical leaders who are not only committed to business and industry but are also socially conscious towards their contributions in nation building and bringing name and fame for the country globally. This is a really good thing that IIM Raipur is saying कि not just ethical leaders in the industry but उन्हें ऐसे लोग nurture करने हैं, ऐसे leaders बनाने हैं जो कि country के लिए, society के लिए भी responsible समझे अपने आप को and they take the country's name to another level and not just the organizations that they're working for. The institute is typically abuzz with activities carried out by the student clubs which are now expanding the scope of influence and including luminaries from the corporate world. So this is an interesting news for people who are working, जिन्होंने कुछ साल काम कर चुका है इंडस्ट्री में. और एक लास्ट पार्ट है इस आर्टिकल का जो इस कोर्स को थोड़ा सा और बताएगा. ये 2-year कोर्स है जो कि अभी इसके पहले मेंशन नहीं था. So just to clarify, it is a 2-year ePGP course. It offers a blend of various general management theories, soft skills and analytical methods with real world business scenarios covered through reputed cases. So 2 साल का MBA है, completely online है, आपको सिर्फ total of 10 days के लिए campus visit करना है. And it offers a blend of various general management theories, soft skills and analytical methods with real world business scenarios. Basically case study based होगा ये पूरा curriculum जो होगा. In terms of course structure, its design is along the lines of the flagship postgraduate program of IIM Raipur. जो course structure है, it is along the lines of their flagship जो PGP course है. The main objective of this program is to prepare participants for an advanced career in management by giving them a solid foundation in various management topics that are essential for building capabilities to succeed in the modern business landscape. जो program है features 1020 contact hours spread across 6 terms of around 3.5 months each, along with an additional mini term at the end of the course. तो बेसिकली 6 टर्म्स होंगे इसमें, एज वी ऑल नो ट्राइमेस्टर सिस्टम होता है, और एक मिनी टर्म होगा जो कि कोर्स के एंड के बाद के टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स है. The 6 main terms involve 900 hours of teaching content. The mini term includes a mini dissertation and integrated business simulation. The selection process for the program is designed to ensure significant diversity in academic, business, and cultural background of the batch. So this program has been designed in a way कि जो इसका बैच होगा उसमें हर तरह की डाइवर्सिटी हो, एकेडमिक, बिजनेस एंड कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड में हर चीज में डाइवर्सिटी हो, एंड दे वांट a batch of diverse students that can add value, because peer learning is also one of the basic foundations of this course, basic objectives of this course. And this is about the EPGP course by IIM Raipur, which sounds a very exciting kind of a thing, because anyway everything is going virtual these days, and considering a lot of organizations are also opting for a work from home thing, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये कोर्स परस्यू कर पाएंगे, and there are people who cannot afford to quit their jobs and visit the campus and attend the entire course. For those people it is a very good thing, and I personally believe this is a really good initiative for everybody who's working right now. This is something that they can look forward to. So guys, I hope this was informative to you. This brought out some kind of motivation in you, and some kind of brainstorming will happen after this. And we all hope that you make your decisions wisely and you apply to the courses and colleges that you think will benefit you the most. So please subscribe to Cat King, press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any information. And we'll keep bringing new interesting types of information for you. All you need to do is stay tuned and stay motivated. I'll see you again very soon. Until then, study hard and all the very best.